Yo, all right. So today is November 13th, 2024. Um, Yesterday, ES and NQ had a bit of a sell-off. There was a level that NQ ES can get above. All right. So if you look at the 1 minute chart, let's go back a little bit right here. All right. So in the pre-market area here, we see buying fell, 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 buying strong fell here, and then price started gradually trying to go and dropping, dropping, and came here and then struggled at the open. All right, and then so here we go. We have so for NQ, very similar structure. We have buying the night before. All right, so buying the night before, fell, fell, buy, fell, buy, fell, and then we stayed under this area here, right here, this buying. Alas, could not keep us up. And then we have this area for price potentially bouncing, right? Yeah. So when the market opened, we started really strongly moving up. We had the supply zone up here. I did try to make an ES go higher, but ES put in right at the open. It's here, boom, boom, and we stayed right under this whole thing the entire time. Price did not get above. All right, so here goes the opening candle is right here. It's the opening candle. It's the opening candle. I tried a long somewhere around here, I believe, when price was able to break out. I tried a long and it failed. I should have just been looking for shorts because we had a nice uptrend. See right here. All right, nice uptrend happening, and then price struggled here, and then it took me out, and then I took the reversal when price came back and dropped. Because NQ also had a bit of a nice uptrend as well. Wow, there, maybe here. All right, it also broke out of that strongly and then closed, right? Because NQ kept closing back within. Finally, it closed and then price pushed up. All right, I entered ES first with a stop loss above up here. NQ was still trying to situate itself. It created another uptrend and then it closed out officially here at 1040. Where are we at 1040? Because this was a bit of a headache. I'm not gonna lie. So 1040 is around here for ES. All right, boom. So this is the okay. Let's finally take price down movement. Stop loss could have been right up there. All right. I think my exits were here when I was finally fully out. Yeah, because I didn't go to midday. All right. So if I was able to stay in this trade, hopefully I would have been able to take it all the way down here. But the stop loss is just way too wide. It feels like it. Just looking at it, it looks like it's a lot. Right, 10 points. I would have to have my stop loss somewhere around here somewhere. All right, I would like it above a white, but this is probably the next best area. And there we go. All right. And that probably should take us to like 6 points. Nope, still a lot. All right, so I probably wouldn't have taken that trade. It's just way too much. I would prefer to take it from in here, right here. All right, this would have been a better entry. That, yeah, this feels better. So 21, this is about 6 points. All right, so this would have been a better entry, and then let this bad boy ride out. So I like that, and then look for exits when we start to see some red clusters. Right, boom, boom. Okay, we're getting a cluster, more cluster, cluster, boom. Right, this should have been the exit, 35 points. But I took my entry when NQ and ES broke. and QES breaks, that's when I could take the trade. I thought we were holding, so I said, okay, maybe we just go higher, but I should have waited for a trend break. And that one, I was able to capitalize on that next move, and it would have been great to take it all the way down. So we're gonna go over. I'm gonna go over our levels. I was trying to do this yesterday. Oh, I got to remind myself I need to do the daily, 4 hour, and the 1 hour, not just the 30 minute. Because I didn't do the higher time frame and the higher time frame analysis yesterday. So here we're rounding off. I like this. This might be a potential sell off. We're rounding off, even though we bought here. Yeah, this is showing me sell off vibes, but we're still above. We're still in the uptrend. I'm gonna put a little bit of music just to like keep my head clear. Probably bounce around here. This would be a nice area to bounce. About the 5590, 5900, about 100 point reversal would be a nice bounce area. Excuse me. All right, so yesterday, like I said, I didn't do any check to see where we were. Um, so we're here. So this would have been a buy area. So we're still in the uptrend, but I was able to at least short based on what I saw, just to get a good idea of we haven't cleared any of this. When we clear some of this, this will give us a good idea of what's happening. 1 hour. Um, so our next area might be this. And then we have this down here. All right, so we might still be looking for lower prices. This all been cleared. So what's going on over here? 11.6. Let's see what ES has. Let's see, ES has that same thing. All right. I'm a little early today. That's fine. NQ has the same thing. Let's go to ES. Back to ES. I think I marked my highs and my lows yesterday. I just couldn't get settlement price. Settlement price never came in when I was marking them last night. So right now, in between this, there's nothing as far as uh, things of importance on the 1 hour, 30 minute, nothing. All right, so we'll be dealing with these here. We'll be dealing with that. Uh, I'm liking this downtrend. Definitely like to see price take this out and bounce. We'll see if there's there's activity here. So right. We're definitely on the downtrend. A 30 minute. So this is a sell that got bought up, right? And we got bought up again, but it's still. Maybe we'll take out some stuff down here and bounce up higher. We'll have nothing at the top. I don't see nothing for the top side. Let's go back to the 30. No selling up here. Only selling that got is up here. No selling. All right. 5 minute. Okay. All right. So that's going to be important. That's going to be important. Errors that we did not clear. We'll start this one down here. We did kind of clear that right there. I'm going to mark it. I'm going to call it cleared. Cleared. 5 minute. Keep it like that. So this cluster is good. I like to see price dip down and then push up. Let's go back to the 15 real quickly. Gonna be me. Back to the 5. But you okay. Now last one more minute. So we got nothing up here. Got a little bit of cluster right here. Okay, so sell, sell, sell. Price came to this cluster. Let's go back to the 5 minute. Okay. Oh, that's important. I'm glad I marked that. I didn't see it before. All right, so that's definitely on ARIA cleared. So this is gonna be failed by. How about we just do that? There. All right, it's failed by. Okay. Now back to that 1 minute. In between, I'm not gonna really deal with that. That's not enough. 96. Yeah, that's only 4 points. I'll be stressing myself out just trying to catch that. That's up and clear, up and clear. This is important. And then for me, it's gonna have to be that the trend lines have to bring me there. Pot liquidity down here. 5 minutes. 15 minutes. Look how nice this trend line just stayed. All right. Even on the 5 minute. All right. Let's go back to the 30. Where's my clock? There it is. Put that bad boy like this. All right. 15. Holding. We're getting tight. 5. Okay, I'm liking this. I'm not sure where exactly we're going to with this, but we're spearheading something. 1 minute. This 1 minute look like crap. Okay, let's do. All right, it's been set now. Pick it up a day. Let's get rid of this. Let's extend this. Where do I even have this mark? Not going on here. Settlement. Just all the errors to respect. So trend lines are going to be the most important things. We're in a downtrend. I need to see a nice trend line for an entry. And I also would like to see color and break up trend. So even though we have so many things here, I need a trend line that's been nicely broken. And yeah, so I'm not even gonna work on these little 10, 5 points. It will just probably have me chasing. I don't like how tight we are with all of this here. None of these have been cleared yet. So I like to see them be cleared before price actually decide to do what it wants to do. I got my highs, got my lows. Areas where price failed. This is a nice area I'm more interested in. But I gotta keep these up here and get rid of this. I want to see what's going on with that. Get rid of this. Let's go to the 15 to see what's going on with the highs. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, so we just have that. The 5 minute. Went to 1 minute. All right, so now we're gonna go to NQ. Rounding off as well. We bought yesterday, so maybe we are imploding in ourselves. Full hour, nothing. Still got buying sections going on here. All right, still in the uptrend. 1 hour. Okay, we're kind of moving sideways, as you can see. We cleared all of this. Look at this crap here. It's Friday. It's a Friday, Thursday into Friday. All right, let's go to 30. Okay, still nothing. Strong selling up here. 30-minute sell, 15-minute sell. All right, so that is low here. So we're still gonna just inside of that range. We're ranging now still. 15 minutes, still nothing. 5 minutes. Okay. All right, 5 minutes it is. Plus 5 minute failed sell. All right, so this is important over here. I'll take it from this one. That one just it tapped out. High on this one is 21183.5, 21183.25. Okay. So buy. So to the 30 minutes, you can find that same trend line that we got on NQ. Looks like we kind of do. Hmm, very disrespectful. 15, 5. Still. 1 minute. Okay. Like this right here. One about done. All right. Let's look at VIX. Waiting for VIX to bounce out of this shit. Still holding. Looks like a lot of pressure. All right, so we get through that. We get through that. Probably be able to push price up. If that price can go up, ES and then Q should move lower. Put an alert right here. Cross above, and also for this one here, cross above. Above that, so hopefully see a strong sell-off on ES and then Q. That's just usually as far down as I go. But this is definitely a nice open season area for price to really just get going. Don't care too much about anything else. That's about it. All right, so we're gonna look at the charts side by side, see if there's anything that I'm missing. So 30, nice trend lines. Put it. Um, so zoom out, zoom out. So we don't have anything really yet. Nothing that I'm interested in. What's that? I don't know what it is. So that's interesting. This is pretty cool. Don't know why it does that. All right, so maybe for a pointing wise, that's pretty cool. All right, let's look at undo this. Go. All right, so that's definitely an area of interest. They both got that settlement spot. News. 8:30. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, so that's gonna be more something important. All right, so we'll wait for news. That comes out in like 5 minutes. That's it for me. I'll leave this up for a bit so I can record the news. But I'm done, and I'll be muting my mic. I could have sworn I muted this. Well, what an explosion in price action. Looked like that failed. Failed for sure. Damn. And VIX just dropped even lower. I guess that fell by was more important right here. Yeah, fell by. Yeah, that's insane. Did not see that coming. Well, I expected a big move. I just didn't know which way it was gonna go. Um, Jeez. Yeah, I was even at the computer. Just came back. Look at this. Straight up, pull back, held this, and then pushing up higher. Nice pull back. Boom. I'm not trading any of this. I'm gonna let price settle, cool down. With about 15 minutes for price to cool itself down. Price likely gonna keep pushing up higher. We're gonna clear most of these stuff here. It seems like strong buy on ES and then Q 30-minute and 15-minute. I expect more upside. I believe this is no, this is a higher day. Higher day still higher. All time high still higher. Let's see if I have any notes for market. No pre-market notes. So while I'm waiting for those, this is GDP or CPI. CPI. Barely a pullback. So we sold off from yesterday. Wasn't it? No. Yeah, in a sense, yeah. We sold off from here, came back up. So back off again. Back up. Not expected to break that much though. Really just destroyed all of my markings here. Get rid of these as well. At least it cleared it up for me. 60 for 26, 60 30 supply. Okay, so what I have here, as long as we go out 60 12, just settlement price. I'm gonna keep settlement price. Market breaks below 60 bar 626, and the CPI moving strong. Long as support is found, 60.45. Okay, the weekly high. Yeah, but I expect higher prices for some reason. Alright, so I don't think I'm interested in any of this price action right now. Any price to cool down for a bit. Price is being very aggressive. All right, so that's it for me for now. I'll be back in the evening if I take any trades. Well, I'll be doing my post market review anyway. So that's it for me now.